Hello everyone. We are in the fourth unit now. The name of the unit is promotion. We are going to discuss about promotion in the unit, how this promotion will be done by the companies, basically the marketing promotions. Let's understand this. The basic purpose of this unit is to understand how the companies are going to communicate the value among the customers. The first unit was on the product, creating the value. The second unit was about value for money, that was the price. The third one was place, how to deliver the value to the customer. And now we are going to understand about the communication, how you are going to communicate your value to the customer. What are the tools you are going to use to communicate to your customers? That will be the major agenda to understand in this unit number 4, which is known as promotions. So let's start this discussion, understanding few of the concepts and the role of the communication in marketing as a whole. So the topic is the role of marketing communication. So let's understand this. Marketing communication are the means by which firms attempts to inform, persuade, and remind consumers directly or indirectly about the products and brands they sell. In a sense, marketing communication represent the voice of the company and its brand. They are a means by which the firms can establish a dialogue and build relationship with the consumers. Marketing communication also work for consumer when they show how and why a product is used by whom, where and when. So they are going to use these four W's to let their customer understand the product is for whom, where to buy it, when to buy it, and for whom to buy it. Marketing communication allow companies to link their brands to other people, places, events, brands, experiences, feelings, and things. So this is the roles of marketing communication. The major roles are informing, persuading, and reminding the customers about product and services which are offered by the brands. The role of marketing communication continues. The ultimate purpose of marketing communication is to influence customer to engage in a value exchange with the firm. So as we have discussed, value created by the firm. Now how it is going to be exchange means paying something and getting something. So in this purpose where customer is going to pay for a product which is offered by the company, the communication plays a very important role. And how it is going to be done? It is going to be done by informing and persuading the consumers. Marketing communication inform consumer of the existence means the brand exists, the company exists, and the benefit of the products. You will understand what is the benefit of the product, what this product is going to give you as a benefit, the services and the ideas. It also persuade consumers to change their attitudes and behaviors regarding goods and services. You may not be convinced with some of the products, you may not be feeling like to buying this product, but marketing communication will let you understand the benefit of the product, and suddenly you will think like buying and having it. Take the example of insurance. In the case, insurance is known as an unsought good which a customer is really not looking for, but because of the marketing communication and the value proposition which is communicated by the company, you suddenly start realizing that you must have at least one policy to take care of yourself and your family. So this is the role communication is going to play to change your attitude. There are thus four broad types of intermediaries communication goals to be achieved. Why a company is doing it? There are four goals which a company wants to achieve doing this communication. The first is awareness, to capture one's attention to a product, service, or idea. So there are a lot of product which is coming and going from the market. You may not be knowing it, but once communication reaches to you, it is going to make you aware that the existence about the product and services, and of course the company which is going to offer this product and services for you. So communication is going to make you aware about the product and services. The second one is information, to convey factual information about a product, service, or idea. Factual information: who is manufacturing it, from where you can buy it, from where you can go and access it, from where you can go for after sale services. So this kind of information is also going to be communicated to you by the marketing communication channels. Attitude or image, to persuade consumers to change their attitude regarding a brand. Like earlier we had a discussion on buying an insurance policy, buying the mutual funds, so this, or particular any of the brand, why you should buy it. Like if you take the example of recent ads which is made by Patanjali. So Patanjali noodles, so noodles are sometimes taken as a product which is hazardous for the body. But if you take the example of Patanjali noodles, they specifically say that it is made of flour, means atta, it is made of atta, and it is not hazardous for your body. So this is how customer thinks, okay, so this information seems to be good, let's buy the product. So changing the attitude and the image of the product. And definitely the fourth one is call to action, where the advertisement is going to convince up to that level that will make your purchase decision. We are going to discuss all these channels and everything in detail. So let's go to the next slide. The slide is about communication mix elements. So communication purpose we have understand, the role we have understand, why communication is done, and with which elements it is going to be delivered. This is about the